Welcome. We all have heard that chia seeds are an amazing thing for weight loss. They seems to be everywhere. People add them to their morning smoothie, drink chia seeds water throughout the day, and use them in salads too. But what if I tell you that chia seeds are not the only seeds known for weight loss? In fact, there is an other pair of seeds that melt fat faster than chia seeds and help slim down the waistline more effectively. Surprisingly, no one seems to be talking about this pair of seeds. Today, I am going to tell you about an excellent alternative to chia seeds that research has proven specifically beneficial for those struggling to eliminate stubborn belly fat and have tried other methods without much success. Now, don't get me wrong, chia seeds are indeed very beneficial, offering not just weight loss benefits but many other health advantages too. They are rich in omega 3, particularly in the ALA form, which is very beneficial for vegans or vegetarians. They are also packed with fiber, around 10 grams of fiber in just 2 tablespoons. And since they expand in the stomach, they make you feel full, helping reduce your caloric intake, thereby enabling weight loss. However, for some people, chia seeds don't work at all because they don't target stubborn belly fat from every angle. But the seed combination I am going to tell you about today targets stubborn belly fat and also makes losing waistline and weight considerably easier. So without further delay, let's dive into the details about these amazing seeds. Number 1. Flax seeds. The first seed in this combination is flax seeds. You might have heard of flax seeds or flax seeds oil because they also contain a high amount of omega 3. Many people use them for their numerous health benefits, but the majority do not use flax seeds correctly in a way that facilitates belly fat loss and maximizes their benefits. There was an impressive study conducted in 2017, which was essentially a meta-analysis of 45 different research studies that examined whether flax seeds help in weight loss. The results of all these studies were astonishing. After analyzing the data from all 45 studies, the conclusion was clear. Flax seeds significantly contribute to weight loss, reducing body mass index and reducing waist measurement. In some studies, the waistline slimmed by up to 2 inches within a few weeks. Now the question arises as to how flax seeds deliver such remarkable results. First of all, they are incredibly high in soluble fiber, which slows down the digestion process and makes you feel fuller for longer than chia seeds. They are also a great source of omega 3, which reduces inflammation throughout the body. Furthermore, they contain a special plant compound known as lignans. These lignans help with fat metabolism and balancing the estrogen hormone, which is particularly beneficial for women in reducing stubborn belly fat. Research also shows that consuming flax seeds improves cholesterol levels, reduces inflammation, and brings hormones into balance. The most important detail and biggest mistake many people make is eating whole flax seeds, which offer limited benefits because our digestive system cannot break them down effectively. Therefore, you must always consume flax seeds in ground form. According to research, consuming at least 30 grams of grounded flax seeds daily is crucial for weight loss. Number 2. Fenugreek seeds. In this combination, the second seed is Fenugreek seeds or methi dana. Most people are not very familiar with it, but it has been used for a long time in Ayurvedic medicine. Nowadays, even modern science recognizes its benefits. According to research, fenugreek seeds improve insulin sensitivity and reduces blood sugar levels, thereby minimizing fat storage in the body. Moreover, it helps reduce hunger, causing a person to eat less, which can aid in weight loss. It is highly effective, especially for stubborn belly fat, particularly in women with hormonal issues such as polycystic ovary syndrome. Fenugreek seeds contain a special compound called galactomannan. It is a type of soluble fiber that expands in the stomach, slows down the digestive process, and improves insulin sensitivity to prevent sudden spikes in blood sugar. However, the problem is that fenugreek seeds does not taste very good. It is somewhat bitter or not liked by most people. But if you continue using it daily, you will gradually get used to its taste. Here is more interesting part. When you combine soaked flax seeds and fenugreek seeds daily, this combination delivers incredibly powerful benefits. It helps in fat shedding, reducing hunger, balancing hormone, providing a prolonged feeling of fullness, reducing inflammation in the body, improving fat metabolism, curbing craving for carbs and sugar, and preventing insulin spikes. Because of this, it puts the whole body in a fat burning mode, targeting belly fat from all angles, resulting in better outcomes. How exactly should you use these two seeds? Morning is the ideal time for flax seeds. Take 1 tablespoon of crushed grounded flax seeds and mix them into a smoothie, water, oatmeal, or any food. It will act as a stimulant for your metabolism from the morning and will put your body into fat burning mode. Usually people focus on fat burning mode in the morning. But what about the afternoon and evening? This is where fenugreek seeds come into play. In the afternoon, take 1 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds and soak them in water for at least before 10 to 12 hours. Before dinner, chew the seeds and drink the water where they were soaked. If you can't handle the bitter taste of fenugreek seeds, you can use fenugreek seed supplements containing 500 to 1000 milligrams of fenugreek seeds powder. Consuming this before dinner helps you keep your blood sugar stable and puts your body into fat burning mode while you sleep. When combined, these two seeds help eliminate stubborn belly fat faster compared to chia seeds. While chia seeds are also good, if you are not seeing results with them or want to effectively target stubborn belly fat from all angles, give this combination a try. Other health benefits. Flax seeds are nutrient packed. They contain healthy fats, protein, calcium, and magnesium that strengthen bones and enhance mental capacity. They also improve blood circulation, reduces the risk of heart diseases, and boost immune system. The lignans present in them help protect the body against cancer. They cleanse the blood, support hormonal balance, and provide nutrients essential for maintaining healthy skin. Similarly, fenugreek seeds contain iron, zinc, and vitamin B6, which aid in blood circulation, provide energy, and relieve fatigue. They help balance water levels in the body and support kidney function. Fenugreek seeds reduce stomach infections, alleviate acidity, and sustain proper metabolism. They cleanse the blood, soften and nourish the skin, and reduces hair fall. Additionally, they support nerve health and provide internal strength to the body. Precautions. Now let's discuss some precautions. If women are pregnant, breastfeeding, or have diabetes issues, consult a doctor before starting to use these seeds. Fenugreek seeds lower blood sugar levels, so those taking insulin or diabetic medications should continuously monitor their blood sugar levels. Excessive consumption of flax seeds may lead to gas, bloating, or diarrhea in some individuals. So start with small quantities. Ensure that both types of seeds are clean, fresh, and properly stored before use. Try both types of seeds for a certain period and share your feedback on any improvements you experience in your body and health. Alright, thanks for watching. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe to watch more. Have a nice day.